Hey everyone, it's Lisa from moonprismplanner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. Today I'm going to be memory planning the week of May 24th in my Recollections Celestial planner. This beautiful tarot themed kit is a kit by Hazel Sticker, and I've already pre-planned out my week, so if you want to check out how I pre-plan my weeks, where I get to the point where I am right now in my planner, I'll have the pre-plan with me linked down below, or it'll pop up in the cards so you can check it out. Basically, I just pre-plan my week with what I know is going to be going on, and then I save, my leftover stickers from the kit, and then just fill in all of the blank white spaces without the leftover stickers and such to memory keep, and, just put whatever I did during the day. So let's get started with Monday. First, I'm going to take some of these tarot circles that came in the Hazel sticker bundle. This whole tarot thing was like a whole bundle that she sold together for her anniversary. So I'm going to take one of the tarot circles with a floral deco from the Sticker Garden, who is a friend. She doesn't have her shop yet, but she is on Instagram. And then I'm going to take a cell phone bow icon from the Pretty Pink Co, as well as some star dingly deco from the Giving Girl, just to mark that I did receive a call back on Monday to schedule an interview for one of the jobs I applied for. So my gratitude for Monday was that I had an interview. For Tuesday, I'm just going to check off the bills that I paid, and then I have a sampler from Miss and Meow. That is a pretty rose gold sampler with little sakuras on it. And I'm going to take another one of the tarot circles with the grid pattern, and I'm just going to cut it, which is pretty easy to do since they do have the lines. And I'm going to use that as like a little corner accent along with this faux washi strip deco from Sadie stickers, and then this sheet of hand-drawn icon doodle beauty things. It's like beauty and gaming that came with the Hazel sticker tarot themed thing kit bundle, and I used the eyelashes. I didn't have eyebrows, so that was like the closest I could come to my eyes because I waxed my brows on Tuesday. And also I'm going to take this box from the kit and then an Alyssa's craft, freebie sampler with the little bow doodle squiggle thing, and then a Nikki +3 shopping cart icon because I went to Ross and TJ Maxx as well on Tuesday because I wanted to prepare for the interview that was scheduled on Wednesday. So I, cleaned up my brows and went and got some new interview clothes since it's been like 2 years since I have had a job interview, and I was a way heavier weight back then, so my nice interview clothes don't fit me. So I had to buy some new clothes on Tuesday, and then I wrote for my gratitude that support and guidance that I was feeling that day for my gratitude. On Wednesday, I'm going to take a box from the kit and just write in interview at 10 a.m. and then a squiggle from the Pretty Pink Co. And for my gratitude Wednesday, I wrote full moon because it was a full moon. On Thursday, we went to Yard House on Wednesday. However, I had, as you could see, clearly no room to mark it. So I just didn't do too much on Thursday. So I'm actually just going to mark on Thursday the Yard House because I really wanted to mark it because we had a really good time. We went during their happy hour and the food was so good, and we went with my in-laws. And yeah, I really wanted to mark it. So whatever, I'm just going to pretend like we went Thursday. I'm just layering it over a couple of washi strips from the kit because I had to cover up that header. And I don't know, I felt like if there was going to be a washi strip underneath the bottom, then there should be one on top too to balance it out, but I kind of regret doing that because it looks weird. But anyway, I'm going to take another Alyssa's Craft Shop squiggle to go in the middle, and then another deco from the Sticker Garden, along with this martini glass from, who's that by? That was by Planning Like a Pro. So then I'm going to grab another half box from the kit, and then another tarot circle underneath that, also one of the doodles with the hair straightener because I really needed scissors, but I didn't have any. So again, closest thing, whatever. And then I'm going to grab the Happy AF Coffee Monsterz Co. I Did It emoji. She calls them emojis, right? Emoji. That sounds weird to me. I think that's right. Anyways, and then a Sadie Stickers squiggle divider underneath it because the half boxes to mark that they offered me the job. So I must have definitely nailed the interview because yay, they offered me the job and I accepted it. So thank y'all so much for your congratulations. Oh, the hair straightener was because that I went and also did the mandatory drug test right after they, told me I got the job, and they had to cut my hair, which was like so sad. And I was like low key, like kind of traumatized because y'all don't know this about me if you haven't seen me in person, but I have very thin hair on the top of my head. It's actually like kind of balding because of my hypothyroidism. And so I'm very insecure about it, you know. And then to be like cutting my hair, and she cut a lot of my hair because she needed a cotton ball size chunk of hair. And I'm like, oh my God, because I barely have any hair on my head, and you're like cutting off so much. I'm so sad. But yeah, this is kind of how I like joke about things that are like, that give me anxiety, like after they've already happened. You know what I mean? Anyways, that was exciting though, that I got the job, and then I went and did the drug test, and then for my gratitude, I got the job. On Friday, I'm going to take a, what is this? It's like a Sunburst $2 Tuesday from Sticker Guru, which is a shop that I PR for, along with this semicircle scalloped box with the vines, not a box, but you know, semicircle thing, also from Sticker Guru, because I had to email my resignation for my part-time job at the college, which was sad. So I layered a tarot circle under it, and then one of these sad characters from Planners Anon, because you know, I do love working there. They just don't give me the hours I need. They don't pay me enough, so unfortunately, but yeah, I do love working there, so it's gonna be sad to go. Then I grabbed a box from the kit and a couple of the faux washi strips from Sadie Stickers, a floral deco, and then a car icon from the Nikki +3, because I put my plates on my new car. I just kept my old plates from my selling my old car and transferred the plates, so I just was able to put them on the car. Finally, I don't know, I was just waiting, I guess, until my temporary tags expired, and they did on the 20th, so I finally put my plates on the car before, you know, I get pulled over thinking that my plates are expired or something. And then I grabbed a corner bow scalloped thing from Sadie Stickers, as well as this funny weird box situation here is also from Sadie Stickers, but it's from an Oops grab bag, so that's why the foil border there was not cut correctly. It's fine. I just ended up cutting it with my X-Acto knife and then just placing it on the left, and you can hardly tell. I also grabbed a Nikki squiggle from Colored Daze to go above it, and then an RX pill bottle from Strawberry Creek because I refilled some medication on Friday. And my gratitude for Friday was fresh hair, because I also didn't get to market, but I did cut my hair. I cut off like 8 inches of hair, which is pretty extreme. It's actually quite shorter than I wanted it to be, but I just kind of felt for where it was feeling kind of dry and crunchy, and just cut everything below that part, you know, like where the cutoff from where it feels soft to where it just feels gross. So figured since I was getting a haircut for the drug test, might as well just, you know, get the rest of it cut too, so it feels nice and smooth. For Saturday, I grabbed a half box and then another cut circle and a P.O. box truck from Strawberry Creek to mark. I had to mail the planner for my planner giveaway to the winner. Then I grabbed a little thing to go over the header and a So Fresh, So Clean script from Letters to Apollo, along with a Crafts by Towie bow car icon, because I got my very first car wash for my new car, which was necessary because it did rain the previous week, and also a bird pooped on it. Disrespectful, I know. Then over the little thing, I'm going to use another Nikki +3 icon with the coffee cup and a Starbucks script from Sticker Guru. And I also placed down a hexagon that I'm going to use a shoe icon from Crafts by Towie, and then a workout script from the Alyssa's Craft Shop. I know usually I don't put scripts back to back like that because it can look a little like a little sus or something, but whatever. I just figured when I'm Alyssa, I'm probably going to use a workout script that's rose gold, you know. For my half box at the bottom of the day, I just saved that to write in the name of the movie that we watched with the family. So we watched a movie called Doggone Trouble, which was like okay. And for my gratitude Saturday, I wrote closed wings because I was really close to not closing them. I think I had like 10 calories left and I had 10 minutes left before midnight, and I was like, but I did. And then on to Sunday, I used a Sadie Stickers bow scallop box along with this yummy looking shake coffee frappuccino type of deal, and then a Dutch Bros script from Lilac Luna Prince, whatever. Sorry, what's the name? Sorry, I think it's Plans. But anyway, so I used her Dutch Bros script because we went to Dutch Bros on Sunday because I still had some gift card left, so why not? Then I used a Miss and Meow Sakura watercolor swatch thing. And this is a lace washi strip from the Sticker Garden I'm going to put underneath it. And I have a really old little from the Sticker Genie. Unfortunately, her shop's no longer open, but they're very cute and they're in a little pool. So I thought that'd be really cute because that's Miss and Meow swatches to mark that my son went over to some family friends' houses to go swim and eat at the cookout, which we didn't go just because we didn't feel like it, but he went and had fun. And then I just wrote in my gratitude, grapes and carrots, because I had a healthy snack that night, so I was proud of that. And that's going to be pretty much everything for this memory plan with me. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up because it helps out my channel and this video, and I truly appreciate it. Be sure you subscribe so you don't miss more of my videos because I do put out content regularly. And leave me a comment down below if you have a question or if you just want to say hi, and I'll say hi back because I love chatting with y'all. I hope that you're well. Remember, you're loved, you're worthy, and you're enough just the way that you are, and don't let anyone try to tell you otherwise. Hope that y'all take care, stay safe, have an amazing rest of your week, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!